This quarter's project is called Hungry Hungry Hippo, and no, we did not license the name for the game, so please don't tell anybody at Bradley about this. I'll tell you a little bit about the class, and then I'll tell you about the game, and then we'll get started. So this is a project course. We have 14 teams composed of 3 or 4 students in each team. Each one builds a robot to play a game that we define. This one's loosely based on Hungry Hungry Hippo, with a little bit of, Doral humor in there. Let's see. The class could not be done. It's actually fairly intense and complex. It could not be done without the help of some very capable and dedicated people, such as our TAs. Students in the class are clapping the loudest for the TAs, so very nice job. So this is Carson Cesaric and Rutledge Lawrence. We're also ably assisted. We match up each design team with a coach, which is an alumnus of this class from recent years, and they stick around and help build up a bit of a community. They've gained a lot of wisdom, just like our teams have, I think, in the last few weeks gained a lot of wisdom, and they come back and try to guide new teams to success on each quarter. So thank you very much, coaches. All right, so I'll tell you a little bit about the game. Hungry Hungry Hippo, if you're not familiar with it, is little plastic hippos try to scoop up little marbles that are sort of randomly bouncing around the playing field. We wanted to create robots to play a similar game, so what we do is we scatter 10 yellow balls on each side of the field, and these are supposed to be hippo food, which hippos should want to eat and contain within their belly at the end of a 2-minute round. The black balls are meant to represent hippo manure, which hippos probably do not want to eat as much as they do, and would probably like to get rid of, preferably across the center divider onto the side of their opponent. So the robots are not supposed to cross the center line, so they stay separate the whole time. They can lob the manure over the wall or through what we call the chute. So at the end of 2 minutes, we add up a point score. Any black ball manure left on the field is worth -1 point. Any black ball that's been eaten and retained in the belly is worth -3 points. Any yellow ball that's on the field is +1 point. Any yellow ball in the belly is +2 points. So it's a pretty big penalty for eating it. All right, so we have our single elimination brackets set up here. And we seeded it based on who finished the project first. And the ones who finished first got a Y. And everyone else filled out the brackets until quite recently, actually. So I think we'll start on this side. We'll just march down the brackets. We'll start with Butterball Hippo and Hippo. And then next up, we'll be